You've begun to see the raw power hidden in every conversation, but recognizing it isn't enough. You need to shape it, mold it into something unstoppable. How? By mastering the subtleties of eye movements and sensory modalities. This is where the forge gets hot and the real crafting begins. In neuro-linguistic programming (NLP), eye movements and sensory modalities are your tools. They're the hammer and anvil in your hands, the precise instruments that transform raw potential into a weapon of influence. By understanding and leveraging these cues, you don't just participate in conversations, you control them. A glance is never just a glance. When someone's eyes move, they're revealing their thoughts, giving you a window into their mind. Look up, and they're visualizing. Look down, and they're lost in internal dialogue or emotion. These movements are the sparks that fly when metal meets metal, guiding you as you shape their mental landscape. But the work doesn't stop there. Everyone has a preferred way of experiencing the world, through sight, sound, or feeling. These sensory modalities are the grain in the metal, dictating how it can be shaped. Align your language with their sensory preference, and you don't just communicate, you resonate, cutting through to the core of their understanding. Picture this. You're in a conversation, and you notice their eyes shift upward. They're visualizing, and you adjust instantly, painting vivid pictures with your words. You're no longer reacting, you're forging. You're shaping their thoughts, their responses, turning raw interaction into refined influence. Start now. Watch the eyes, listen to the cues, feel the shifts. Master these subtleties, and you'll become more than a participant. You'll be the craftsman, shaping every conversation with precision and power. In the hands of the unskilled, cues are just noise. But for those who master them, they're the secret to transformation. This is where influence is forged, in the heat of understanding and the precision of action. Refine your skills here and you won't just communicate, you'll command.